Good morning, everyone. So, what we are going to learn today? In the last class, we have seen arithmetic mean, average, mean, all this we have seen range, frequency distribution table. Now, today we are going to study the second representative value of data handling, and that is mode. So, what is mode? The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. So let us take example. With the help of example, the terms will be, definition will be very clear to us. I am writing one example. So I written one example. See. Now first of all, we will arrange this in increasing or decreasing order. So let's arrange. Arranging in increasing or decreasing order. Ascending order. So let's arrange. 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then comes 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 times. Then 4 is there? No. 5, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 1, 7, 1 more 7 and 1, 8. 2, 7 and 1, 8. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now what we have to do, children? Now see definition. The mode of a set of observation, this is set of observation, is the observation is that observation that occurs most often, means most number of times. So which data occurs most number of times? 2. Here 2 occur most often. 2 occurs maximum number of times in all this data. 1 time, 2 5 times, 3 2 times, 5 1 time, 6 1 time, 7 2 times and 8 1 time. So which occurs most often is called the mode. So here 2 occurs most often or maximum number of times, whatever we can say, maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is 2. So data which occurs maximum number of time is called mode. Understood, children? Mode. Now see the next definition. Now the last one representative value of data handling is median. So let's start median. What is median? Before studying median, let us see what median telling us. We have seen that in some situations, arithmetic mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency. Arithmetic mean. It is the appropriate measure of central tendency. In central tendency, there are 3 terms: mean, median and mode. So, median we are studying now. So, in some cases, we have seen arithmetic mean appropriate value. Whereas in some other situation, just now we studied mode. Mode is an appropriate value. And now we comes to median. So what is median? Median refers to the value which lies in the middle. Important point. Middle of the data when arranged in increasing or decreasing order. It is very important that you have to arrange data before finding median. You have to arrange data in ascending or descending order, with half of the observation above it here on the left and half below it, means half on the right. So in a given data arranged in increasing or decreasing order, the median gives the middle one. Middle observation is the median. So let us see by example. By example, it is very clear to us. Okay, so I am taking one example. Again, I am taking example 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 2, 8, 6, and one more I am taking 9. So I had taken this data. First, what you have to do? We have to arrange data in ascending or descending order. So arranging in ascending order. Any order you can arrange. So let's arrange in ascending order. So what will come? First of all 2, then 3, one more 2 is there, sorry. So one more 2 will write here, one more 2, 2, 2, 3, then more 3 are there? No. Then comes 4, then comes 5, then comes 6, then comes 7, then 8 and 9. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. After this, see what will happen after this. Now, middle value. We need middle value. So how many terms? So just find out how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 terms are there. And N means number of observation. How many observations are there? Observation. Number of observation is 9. 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4. This from the last 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4 we have taken? So that we will get the middle one. So what is the middle one? 5. So 5 is the median. This is the case when we observation are odd. And we will study even also. When number of observation even, what will happen in that case? So what is the formula? So how will we find directly? Median equals to, how will find directly? See here. First arrange data. It is very important to arrange data. So median equals to, in case of odd, we are finding in case of odd observation, number of observation are odd. In case of odd number of observation. Odd number of observation. In case of odd number of observation. This is the case we have to study. In case of odd number observation. Median. What is the formula? N plus 1 by 2th observation. With the help of this formula, it is very easy for all of you. Median. N stands for number of observations. So how many observations are here, children? 9. So let us put the value. 9 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2th observation. That means 10 by 2 is 5th observation. So either you start from left or you start from right. If we are starting from left, go towards right till we will not get the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th observation here is 5. By chance it is same. 5th observation 5. Don't think that the 5th observation 5 every time. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th observation is 5 only. That's why we are getting median as 5. Understood? If this is the case when number of observation are odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are there total. That's why we are getting median according to this formula. But what happens when number of observations are even? So let's see that also. Let's see that also, that what happens when number of observation is even. So see. Now see this one. When number of observation is even number of times. So let us count how many observations there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 observations are there. So N equals to 10. Number of observation is 10. But before finding median, always arrange data, otherwise you will be wrong. Arranging data. Arranging data in ascending order. So let's arrange data in ascending order. So 1, 1 or more 1? No. 1, then comes 1, then comes 2, then comes 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9. So how many observations count? We have already counted 10 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So N equals to 10. So how to find median in such case? How to find median where number of observations are even number of times? So how to find out? Median equals to whatever observation you are getting. Listen here children carefully. Median. How to find median where number of observations are even? So median equals to 10. Just see. Listen here. 10 by 2. What is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is fifth observation. So divide 10 by 2. This is just I am telling you what is the method. 10 by 2. This is the method. No need to write this one. Just I am explaining you. 10 by 2 is fifth observation. Now what you have to do? You have to take fifth observation plus just after this observation. What will come after fifth observation? Sixth observation. So fifth observation divided by plus sixth observation divided by 2. This is just for reminder that what we have to do. No need to do this one, only just take n equals to 10, whatever you suppose you are getting 12 observation, then 12 by 2 sixth, the sixth plus 7th will come, but here 10 by 2 is 5, so fifth observation plus sixth observation by 2. So what is fifth observation in ascending order? Not in this one. Ascending order we have to see. Not that question one. We have to see the data in ascending order one. So fifth observation here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is fifth observation? 4. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Fifth observation is 4. Sixth observation is 5. 4 plus 5 by 2. 4 plus 5, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is 4.5. So, with the help of this, we can find out easily. Median in case of number of observations are even number of times, means 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like that. And in case of odd number observation, we already seen that. Okay, understood median, children? So, let's do exercise. So see, exercise 3.2, question number 1. The scores in maths test out of 25 for 15 students is given to us. Find the mode and median, both the things we have to find out. And then we have to find out whether they are same or not. So let's start the solution. Always arrange data. First thing, children, note down that arrange data. Then it will be very, very easy for you. So let's arrange data. Arranging data in ascending order. So let's arrange data in ascending order. So 5, then 9. I am arranging all data in ascending order. 15, 16, then 19, 20. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 20. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times 20. Then 23, 24 and 25. How many times? 1, 2, 2 times 25. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now, first of all, mode. Mode means the value which occurs maximum number of times. So see which value occurs maximum number of times. I think 20. Yes, 20 is the mode. Here 20 occurs maximum number of times. So therefore mode is 20. The data which occurs maximum number of time is mode. So clear mode. Now comes to median. So median means middlemost observation is called median. Middlemost. So we are already arranged the data. We are having data. Now just see, this is first part solution. This second part of the solution, median. So median, what is observation? Number of observation here. Count the number of observation. How many are there? 15 students are there. 15 means odd number of the. See, 15 students. So total 15 data we are having. So we know median n equals to 15. Number of observation is odd. For odd, it is very easy to us. How to find mode in case of odd? Median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. N stand for number of observation. 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 2, 8th observation. So what is eighth observation? Just see the data. Just see our data, which is the eighth observation, the data. See, in ascending, descending one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In eighth observation is 20. Whether you count from left towards right or right towards left, you will get the same answer, children. Don't worry about that. See, if I count from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll reach at the same point 20. That means mode 8th observation is 20. Now the next question is, are they same? So mode is 20, median is 20. So we'll write yes, mode and median are same. Yes, mode and median are same. So this comes to an end of this question. I hope you understood, everyone. This one, mode and median, terms clear to all of you? Now comes to question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is given to us. Find mean. 3 things we have to find: mean, mode, median. So let's find out all the 3, and then also question answer, are the 3 same or not. So let's start with arranging data. First thing, give importance to arranging data. Okay, so let's start. Arranging data. It will help us in finding mode and median easily. Arranging data in ascending order. So let's arrange. So what will come first? 6, then 8, 10, 1, 2, 15. How many 15? 1, 2, 3, 15. Then 50, 80, 100, and last is 120. So we have arranged the data. After that, mean. First formula, we have to find out the mean. So let's find mean. Mean, we know. What is mean formula? Sum of all observation by number observation. So let's do the sum of all. So what is the sum? 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by how many observations are there, children? How many total observations are there? Total how many observations? 11. 11 players are there. So 11 divided by 11. Add them. What will get on adding? 429 by 11. Divide 11 3s are 11 9s are. So mean is 39. Next, mode. Second one is mode. So see, which occurs maximum number time? I think 15. Yes, 15 occurs 3 times. Here 15 occurs maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is, what is mode? 15. So second answer also clear. Now third is median. Now for median, what we have to do, children? Median के लिए क्या करना रहेगा? Median equals to, first find n. What is n? 11. Median, n is 11. Therefore median equals to, what is the formula? Odd number observation, n plus 1 by 2th observation. N stands for 11. 11 plus 1 by 2th observation. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 2, 6th observation. So what is 6th observation given to us? So see, children, the data given to us. Now 6th observation, ascending order or descending one, whatever we can find. 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th observation is 15. 15 is the median. 6th observation is 15. So 15 is the median. Now see the next question, that is, are the 3 same? Other question is, are the 3 means mean, median, mode same or not? So what is mean? 39. What is median? 15. Median 15. What is mode? 15. Mean is different from mode and median. Mean is different. So are the three same? So we'll write no. No, the three are not same. Only mode and median are same. So we have to write all the three. So no, the three are not same. Now comes to question number 3. The weight in kilogram of 15 students of class are given to us. Find the mode and median. Again, mode and median we have to find out. So what we have to do first step? Arranging data in ascending or descending order. And second part, is there more than one mode? First we have to find out, then only we can tell whether one or more than one mode. So start. Solution. Arranging data. Arranging data in ascending order. So let's arrange. First 32, 35, 36, 37, 38. How many times? Count. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 38. Then 40, 42, 43. Count. 1, 2, 3 times 43. Then 45, 47, and last is 50. Now first is mode. So mode which occurs maximum number of time. 38 occurs 3 times. 43 also occurs 3 times. So there are 2 modes. It is possible, children. More than one mode is possible here. So we will write here, though the data which occurs equal number of times, then also they both are mode. Or if there are 3 data, here 2 data are there. Means 38 also occur 3 times and 43 also occur 3 times. If one more is there, then there will be 3 modes. So now here 38 and 43 both occurs maximum and equal number of times. Therefore mode is 2 mode are there. Therefore mode is 38 and 43 both are mode. This mode is clear to us. Is there mode? Now second part also we are doing now. Then we'll find median. Is there more than one mode? Yes. Yes, there are more than one mode. Now comes to second part. We have to find out median. So let's find out median. And for median, what we have to do, children? Median. Number of observation you have to count. How many observations are there? 15 students are there. So median. See, children. Question. How many students are there? 15. So n is 15. N is 15 given to us. So median n. N is 15. Number of observation odd. So what is median formula? N plus 1 by 2th observation. What is n here? 15. 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 by 2, 8th observation. And now what is 8th observation? Just see in 8th observation. Ascending order 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation is, what is 8th observation? Yes? 8th observation is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation is 40. Therefore, median is, what is median? 40. Middlemost value is called median. Clear, children? Now, What will do, children? Question number 4? No. You have to do it yourself, children. Now I am giving you next question. Question number 4. You have to do it yourself. This one, mode and median. Okay? So this is homework for all of you. Now let's do question number 5. Now see this, children. Statement true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. Yes, it is correct. Just now we have seen mode always coming from the data only. 38, 43, 7, 8. All this coming from the data only. So yes, it is correct. True. The mean can be one of the number in data. No. We have found so many mean, children. And mean, the answer is coming in decimal also. And it is not the part of the data also. So, false. The median is always one of the numbers in the data. This statement is true if we are finding for odd observation. ओड के लिए ये करेक्ट है, मगर अगर इवन नंबर ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए बोलेंगे तो ये रॉन्ग हो सकती है. ठीक है, तो ट्रू इन केस ऑफ, बिकॉज हमारे द एक्सरसाइज गिवन टू अस इज ऑल ऑफ odd number observation. That's why we have to write true. True, but we'll mention it. True for odd observation and false for even observation. But as per the book, अगर हम बुक की बात करें तो हमको बुक में सारे ऑड ऑब्जर्वेशन ही दे रखे हैं, तो हमारे लिए ट्रू हुआ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ए डाटा ऑलवेज हैज ए मोड. सी, ए डाटा ऑलवेज ए मोड और नॉट? टेल मी. यस, यू हैव सीन सो मेनी डाटा. सो सी, if in data there is no repetition of numbers, then we can't find mode. See here, one example I'm giving you. Example number for this question number 4th. See, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So I have written one data. In this, none of the number having 2 times coming 2 times or 3 times. That means it doesn't have any mode. For the mode to occur, it must occur 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and so on. So here nothing will come. So data always has a mode. It is not necessary. So false. Now the last part, 5th one, the data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. So let's find out the mean. So what is mean? Sum of all observation by number observation. So 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 9. Let's see whether we'll get mean as 9 or not. So how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 8. Add them. What will get on adding? So on adding we are getting 64. 64 by 8. 8 is 64. And we are getting mean as 8 and not 9. It is given that it has mean 9. So again it is false. So understood, children? This exercise completes, and practice this exercise more and more. Okay, thank you for watching this video.